Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I thought I'd do a short craft and chat. I was just on live with Lori, Girl on the Ridge, and her internet was really bad, and we couldn't hear each other, and some words were going, in and out, and it just got too aggravating. So we were only on for about 12 minutes, but I was working on snippet clusters, and I did start one and I just finished it. And then I thought, well, I'll turn the camera on and maybe do another one just to see if I can do a craft and chat. Um, so, anyways, here's my here's my snippet cluster, and I'll probably turn this into a pocket, in a on a journal page. Um, I'm just using pieces from my. I'll show you quick. This is where all my snippets go in here. They're adding up because I haven't been able to use them, but I'm going to try now. So I started off with a piece of muslin. Then underneath, which you can really barely see, is a piece of dyed cheesecloth. And then this is cut from a piece from a tablecloth. And this is from a by the yard from Crafty Me Shop. This is just, let's see if these things here, they were on something else. They were like framing something else, and so I just took 3 of those, and that's really it. That's all there was to this one. Oh, and it says wild, and these I printed on cotton fabric, and it was a page of words from My Porch Prints. And now I can't remember if I said or not, but these, I cut these, well, I punched these out with my 2-inch square punch. And I can't tell you whose digitals these are because when I printed them out, there was nothing. Here's another one. There was nothing on the border to say who the shop was, so I apologize for that. And so this one I thought I would do as a tuck spot, so that's why it's thin. But I'm going to use this here. I just think it's so pretty. I'll put that on there. And let's see what I have for words here. Moments, travel, ideas, maybe ideas. My fingers don't work. It's so cold here, and we're supposed to get snow, I think, overnight, but it's only supposed to be a couple inches, but it's so freaking cold. My hands, well, my fingers are full of arthritis, so obviously they're not working very well. Thoughts. You know what? I think I'll do thoughts. So let me just cut around the white. So I hope everybody's staying warm. I know that's not easy. And the weather is so crazy everywhere. Snow where there's never snow and all that. I start physical therapy next week on my arms. Looking forward to that. Hopefully get some more range of motion so that at some point in the future I'll be able to eat again with my right hand. And I mean, there's a lot of things I can do with it, but there's a lot that I can't either. So that's what I'm hoping for. I'd like to just be able to eat and be able to touch my head so I can I can wash my own hair because I can't do that one-handed. Okay, enough about that though. All right, so we have the word, we have the image of the flowers. Can you tell I'm thinking about spring? Can't wait for it. Let me see here. Okay, that's going to be too wide. Let's see, maybe I'll add a piece of white, a small piece of white cheesecloth. Let's see how that goes. My granddaughter, I'm trying to keep my mind off of my granddaughter. She's going back to college tomorrow, and I am going to miss her so very much. She's helped me a lot while she's been home on break, winter break, and oh boy, I'm just gonna miss her. I can't tell which side is which. Okay, I think this side is. So I'm just gonna fussy cut kind of around this. See how that goes. Yeah, I'm going to try to make this short because my arms and my hand gets really tired quickly. And I did exercising earlier, so my elbow's pretty sore. Okay. So let's see. So I think we'll add this. I want to put another piece down there though too, I think. If I can find a flat enough piece. I have to go through this snippet thing too because it's hard to find anything when there's so much in here. Let's see what I have. I did bring some stuff here. Maybe I'll just use the rest of this piece. Just cut this flower out of there. Okay, so let's see. Let's put that like that, that like that. All right, let me just put this down just with a little bit of hot glue. Okay, put this that. We're going to put dots over it like that. Okay. And let's see, what else did I have on here? Good night, honey. See you in the morning. was my granddaughter. No, I think that might be too big. Let's see, I won't, oh, I know I wanted to add one of these flowers because the color just matched perfectly with this one. But I might not use the whole flower. I might just, well, let's see, maybe I will. Yeah, you know what? I will. I was gonna just cut the flower itself, but I'm gonna keep that on there. Okay, so put that on there. And you don't have to add a lot to a snippet, but I like to have at least a few layers on there. Let's see what else I got here to use. That's too big. Nope. Let me see. What did I put over here? Those are just flowers. Maybe I have 3 more of these little round thingies. Maybe I'll just add those. Just in a different spot from the other one. I don't want to hide those flowers though. Let's see, maybe just put one up there, or maybe put it over here. Yeah, or maybe one on each side. We'll see. They're just snippets. It's not rocket science. Oh, I don't even know if I'm in frame. I forgot to look up. I'm so not used to doing videos anymore, and I forgot to look up. Let's see. How's that going to look? Too busy? Too busy, maybe. I could put 3 going that way. Yep. That's what I'll do. The odd number thing. Okay. So I hope you guys can bear with me, you know, till I get better at crafting again and not be so awkward. So there's that one. And so this will be a tuck spot where tags or something will, like, if this was the page, I'd put it probably like this, and then you could tuck and just glue it on the 2 ends, not under here, just the 2 ends, and that way you can tuck tags in there. And then the other one I would use as a pocket like that. So I would glue the 3 sides and just use that as a pocket. Okay, so I love these digital images too. I'm going to use them on some of the pages inside the journal. So anyways, so there's the 2 snippets. I'll probably make a couple more, but I wouldn't want to put a bunch of them, you know, in the same journal. So it's not like a mass make or anything, but anyway, so let's see, 15 minutes, that's not bad. So that's all I'm going to do tonight. and hopefully I can come on again and do a little more crafting and maybe a little more chatting, because I really didn't do much of that either, did I? So anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. If you'd like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.